Apple's MacBook Pro has undergone a substantial enhancement with the introduction of the powerful M3 chip representing the flagship of their M series lineup. It stands as Apple's most robust processor to date, but how well does it perform when it comes to its competitor, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 from Microsoft? Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together. Let's turn our attention to design first. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2 retains the elegant 14-inch display seen in its predecessor, built using a platinum aluminum finish. What sets it apart, though, is the intriguing woven fabric hinge, a feature that allows this device to transform a full 180 degrees, offering a level of remarkable versatility in its own form. However, it's fair to point out that it leans slightly towards the thicker and heavier side, tipping the scales at 4.37 pounds. In terms of connectivity, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 comes equipped with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a USB-A, a microSD slot, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a Surface Connect port. The backlit mechanical keyboard will delight, complete with specialized keys for Windows and media controls. The customizable haptic trackpad enables smooth transitions into tablet mode, and this amalgamation of design and functionality truly makes the Surface Laptop Studio 2 a compelling choice. On the other hand, the newly revealed M3 MacBook Pro still carries on Apple's iconic professional aesthetic. Within its sleek aluminum alloy frame, you'll find the same refined 14-inch display as before, now available in three classic color options: silver, space gray, and the all-new space black. Despite its light 3.5 pounds chassis, durability and premium feel remain assured. Connectivity is versatile with three Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, a full-sized SD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Compared to the heavier 4.37-pound Surface Laptop Studio 2, the M3 MacBook Pro offers noticeably improved levels of portability. On top of that, the overall form factor stays true to its professional roots. The backlit Magic Keyboard provides a comfortable tapping experience, while the touch bar allows quick access to useful controls. And Apple's classic polished aesthetic brings sophistication wherever you use it. So neither Microsoft nor Apple took a different approach to design changes. Rather, they're more focused on internal performance changes and hardware upgrades. Moving on to the display, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 comes equipped with a 14.4-inch Pixel Sense Flow touchscreen. Offering a sharp 2400 by 1600 resolution, its smooth 120Hz refresh rate provides a seamless visual experience. HDR and Dolby Vision brings images to life in vivid color and contrast, and the 1080p front-facing camera ensures you come through clearly on video calls. In contrast, the M2 MacBook Pro's 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display is a visual splendor, with its ultra-sharp 3024 by 1964 resolution. An adaptive 120Hz refresh rate enables seamless scrolling and motion, and at a peak brightness of 1600 nits, images practically leap off the screen. The same 1080p front camera as the Studio 2 provides clear video chat. However, you can definitely expect a level of superior visual enhancement on the new MacBook Pro with the new M3 chip. So there's no denying the M3 MacBook Pro's display is spectacular, tantalizing the senses with its stellar resolution, adaptive refresh rate, and immense levels of peak brightness. This makes the MacBook Pro a sublime choice for design work or content creation. Yet, the Surface Laptop Studio 2's Pixel Sense Flow touchscreen is a standout feature in its own right. The ability to transform the device into a tablet unlocks versatile use cases. This innovative 2-in-1 form factor grants unique flexibility compared to the MacBook Pro. Now, if we check out the internal specifications, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 is powered by an i7-13700H processor. GPU options scale up to an RTX 4060, while the dedicated NPU delivers enhanced AI capabilities in Microsoft 365 apps. This specialized neural processing support sets Studio 2 apart, augmenting productivity. Now, depending on the configuration, battery life reaches an impressive 18 hours, which is more than sufficient for intensive creative work or editing sessions. For illustration, graphics design, or similar tasks, Studio 2 promises a satisfying experience. AI-powered features partner seamlessly with robust battery reserves, making this laptop a productivity workhorse. The new MacBook Pro, on the other hand, is powered by the new M3 processor lineup from Apple. It has an 8 CPU core and 10 GPU core. Compared to the M2 chip, the M3 processor received a massive boost for both CPU and graphical enhancement. This new 3nm chip introduces dynamic caching, which is an innovative technology which allows the GPU to allocate local memory in hardware real time, rather than relying on software. What's even more impressive is that Apple brought mesh shading and ray tracing support for this chip. For graphically detailed tasks, M3 MacBook Pro is gonna be a superior choice. Both M3 MacBook Pro and Surface Laptop Studio 2 are graphically enhanced laptops when it comes to performance. However, the choice between these two laptops is purely on the consumer, whether they prefer a Mac or Windows interface. The starting price for the new M3 MacBook Pro is $1,599. However, if you want a higher powered variant, then there's a 16-inch model with an M3 Max chip, which will cost around $3,999. Similarly, the starting price for the Surface Laptop Studio 2 costs $1,999, and it goes up to $3,099 for the Max configuration. This one also has a separate 16-inch model, which costs around $3,499. Although there's a little bit of price gap between these two laptops, they both share a similar price range. On one hand, the Surface Laptop Studio 2 distinguishes itself through its AI-powered features, effortless transmission into tablet mode, and its compatibility with the Surface Slim Pen 2. It combines versatility with an elegant design, making it an excellent choice, particularly for individuals who appreciate AI integration and hybrid functionality. Now, on the flip side, the M3 MacBook Pro is dedicated to providing a robust and traditional laptop experience characterized by its striking display and incredible graphical enhancement. While it lacks a touchscreen and AI-driven features, it excels as a dependable workhorse. For those who place a premium on performance and the timeless MacBook experience, the M3 MacBook Pro remains the steadfast choice. So if you had to choose one, which one would you go for? Surface Laptop Studio 2 or the M3 MacBook Pro? Let us know in the comment section down below.